Hey, all right, let's do it. At least 30 minutes today. I'm gonna try and not make it too long for the people who are watching this on YouTube. Hello, Tyson. We are live streaming, but it's a couple minutes delayed. It's always got this little filter to it. Anyways, today, Bitcoin is currently, it's at like what, 37.50. That is insane. That is incredible. It was at like 38.50 a couple hours ago. It's approaching $4,000, and today's topic is why I'm not investing at the current moment. Maybe like it's not okay. It's not going to be clickbait because I'm seriously not going to be investing. There's different ways you could talk about it, but I'm not going to be going into altcoins or Bitcoin or any of that. And I'm not purchasing any more altcoins, Bitcoin, nothing. Not purchasing, most likely ever again, other than to sell, but that's it. That doesn't really count because I'm still not going to keep it anyways. So here's what I mean by that. From now on, all the cryptocurrency that I will have is to be earned. That's it. I will earn cryptocurrency either through donations. Thank you to whoever donated one Litecoin yesterday. That was very sweet of you, by the way. So either from donations, from affiliate programs, from current earnings, such as maybe the prices go up of Steam and Bitcoin. So whatever I'm holding right now from Steam, those payouts, and that's it. So and there might be another way in the future. But anyways, so from now on, I'm not purchasing any more cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to be holding what I have. Of course, selling part of it back into fiat currency to have at least a couple $1,000 in the bank just to feel a little bit safer, and earning crypto. So whatever I earn, at least a large portion of that I'll be holding for who knows how long. At least some of it probably for a couple of years. But a majority, some of you have been asking, this is going to basically be a response video to those people who are asking me, what are your top altcoin picks? What are you doing with your money? What are you investing in right now? And pretty much, I understand that I am losing out on some opportunities of investment. However, I prefer to make money with lower risk now. I used to take much higher risks, and I learned my lesson. Well, I learned my lessons because there was multiple times where I made a bunch of money, and I still profited, but I got too greedy. I was like, oh, I'm going to quadruple my money. And then I should have just taken like triple or double or whatever. This live? Yeah, it's live. What is your... I'm not going to answer that question. Oh boy. So here's the thing. As somebody who's a proponent for cryptocurrencies, let me explain myself. I'm not saying that you guys should follow what I'm doing. However, I'm looking at what other giant investors are doing, and they're holding while taking out some of their profits because they're diversifying. You should have a diversified portfolio. They're earning from crypto profits. They're mainly affiliates and stuff like that. I'm looking at the larger accounts on Steam. I'm seeing like, okay, they're not selling. What are they doing? Like, where did they make their money from? There's this one really cool guy on Steam named Bitcoin Millionaire. I really like his website, and Bitcoin Millionaire, he will have probably $1 million worth of Bitcoin because his portfolio has been going up like crazy. He goes into full detail what he does. So he makes money from affiliates, and also he invests. That's where I got this idea for investing in Bitcoin casinos from. Not all Bitcoin casino investments of his did well, but since he did it in such a way, I forgot what it was. It was either 4 or 8 investments into Bitcoin casinos that he did. So most of them profited. And it was enough profit that it made a lot of money. And there was like one that cost him a couple Bitcoins or whatever. But the other ones that profited made up for that one extremely well. So it's like he didn't even care about that. Anyways, he went into full detail what his strategy was. And I'm taking much less risk now. I'm just going to be holding what is there. Like worst case scenario, if the prices go down, that's what's going to happen. I just want to say that this isn't going to happen. This isn't going to keep occurring forever where you see Bitcoin every single day rising, every single day. It's just not going to be like that because you have to be realistic. If your altcoin right now is rising every single day and you're like, oh my gosh, let me invest everything. Let me reinvest everything. I'm not going to keep a single penny for myself. You are making a very bad decision because it's just, it has to go down eventually. I'm not saying crash, because there's different perspectives of crash, but I'm going to, okay, here's the thing with Steemit. Here's the thing with Steemit. I actually made a video addressing this today, and I realized that we probably have less viewers because it's the morning time over here. You don't have to invest your money into Steemit. That's it. And a lot of the arguments against Steemit are, okay, the developers have a lot of the coins. Well, Ripple has the same problem, except with Ripple, instead of dealing with hundreds of millions of dollars, you're dealing with billions of dollars, which if also with Ripple, we've already seen this where one of the developers has some lawyers against him because he took a couple $100 million and sold it and decided to start his own cryptocurrency, Stratus going to the stratosphere. Woo! So Ripple already had that problem where one of the developers was like, see ya guys, I'm taking my cash, I'm out. So what if the developers are just waiting for it to just like, and then, you know, it's an interesting thing. But I know that's not like one of those arguments. I'm just saying, I'm stating what is out there. But with Steemit, so a lot of the people at the top make a bunch of money, and the money's kind of all the way at the top. But you can get there if you decide to go through with all the posts, and you don't have to invest a single dollar to make $1,000. You don't have to invest a single dollar to make $1,000. Most of you won't make even $100. That's just the truth of it. Most of you won't make even $100. I don't care about Steemit's. Well, it's not Steemit's. I don't care about Steam's price falling because that's not what I'm looking into. I don't care about the actual crypto coin. I care about the social media platform, because even if I lose money from the price of Steam falling down, which I have technically because I didn't sell it, so it can rebound. But let's say Steam never goes back up again. It never goes back up again. I am making money every single month, pretty much every single day, but I cash out every week, whatever, because you have the 7-day period, whatever. So I'm making money every single day from posts, from comments. That's it, from posts and from comments. But even apart from that, there are subscribers that I gain from Steemit because it's another marketing avenue for me. So I post my videos on Steemit. I post them on Reddit. Sometimes I throw up a link on Twitter, Facebook, wherever. I don't really do that often anymore. But the reason Avi is where it is today, the reason Kubera is where it is today, is at some point in time, I did have to market that stuff. And I don't care about the Steam price. It can be wherever, dude. It can be half of the value it is today. I still get extra views. And one extra viewer could result in me making $10,000. There have been multiple people who donated hundreds of dollars to me. Multiple people. So one viewer could be worth hundreds of dollars. Maybe he's going to be my next business partner. Maybe he's going to give me like $10,000 to invest with, or $100,000 to invest with. I don't know. So every single viewer is important, but you still have to like I can't focus on every single viewer, but that's my goal. That's my aim. So I don't look at Steemit as a way to like, if you're just going to invest in Steam, as in like you're going to buy Steam for a low price in the hopes that it goes up to a higher price and you sell, and you don't do anything with it, you shouldn't invest in it because there's opportunity cost. I think there's much better altcoins out there than Steem. That's just, and that's weird coming from a person who should be like, oh, Steemit's great. Listen, Steemit, I think they should be way more transparent about their issues. I don't know what's going on with Poloniex. Why is Poloniex still under maintenance? Why is Bitrex under maintenance? They should have a blog every single day that updates with exactly what they're doing. They're not transparent fully about that. I think they should have better marketing. I think the user interface needs a little bit of a rebound. The developer API needs to be, it's complicated, like to deal with it. And they have updates that aren't fully announced. So the developers who aren't in the know just aren't going to be able to work with it. Also, it's glitchy. Some posts disappear. I posted multiple times. It happened like 5 times already where I copy and paste stuff because I don't know if this post's going to disappear. It could disappear. And if it does, like, whatever, you just repost, but it's annoying. And it's glitchy. It's slow. But the thing is, Steemit is still in beta mode. So that's why I forgive it. So no, Steemit's not perfect. It has a lot of things that need to be fixed. I hate the spammers. I hate the spammers because there's multiple people who literally copy and paste smiley faces 1,000 times. Or they're like, please give me money. They're begging for money, like begging. Actually begging. And not only that, but messaging me. This is where it goes a step further. People are emailing me. Begging me for money. What the heck? No, of course not. I actually respond to some of those people like, yo, get a job or something. But obviously I'm not wasting my time. But still, anyways, so Steemit is not perfect. I like Steemit though, because I see that the trends are rising. There's more users. There's millionaires who are keeping their money in place. There's a reason they're keeping their money in place. Of course, the people who invest money will make more money, but you don't need to invest money to make money. Most of you will not make money on Steemit. Most of you will not make money on Steemit. Just the same as most of you will not be able to get a channel to 3,000 subscribers. That's a pretty simple goal, right? Pretty simple. Oh, get a YouTube channel to 3,000 subscribers, like legitimate subscribers, not like fake or whatever, sub for sub. Most of you won't do it. It's just the way it is. It's just the way the world works. Yesterday, I was talking with a girl, like a random girl I just approached on the street, right? And I told her, like, I really wish you all the best. Because nowadays, I don't even care. Like, I just talk with random strangers, and I'm like, yo, it's lonely at the top. I want to see a lot more people succeed. But chances are, statistically speaking, you're probably not going to change a lot of the things. Like you tell yourself, oh, I've got these great ideas, but you're not going to do. All of us could be billionaires, but we're not. We're not. Because we're lazy. We don't want to do this. We're too old. Da-da-da. There's so many reasons, right? So the same thing with Steemit. If you want to play tennis, if you want to be a superstar, a rock star, whatever, the average person will give up. That's it. They will give up because they don't care. They will not invest their time every single day. Even I am losing money. I'm losing out on opportunities to make money. I could be making $10,000 a month right now. I could be making $10,000 a month right now if I invested more time into Steemit, into YouTube, into live streaming, into selling my hats. I have a hat company, which I still didn't even, it's delayed by a couple of weeks. There's so much stuff to do. But anyways, so I'm kind of getting off topic, but still, like, I don't want to go on a rant. It's just, there's people who think I'm going to defend Steemit with my heart or other programs. Listen, Steemit could fall tomorrow, but the thing is, Steemit's most likely the probabilities are way higher. It's lower risk. It's lower risk than BitConnect. It's lower risk than cloud mining. I mean, you could make your money with BitConnect. You could make money with Control Finance. You could make money with even something that guarantees you 10,000%. I'm not investing in that stuff. And to be quite honest, I'm not buying any more Steem. Hopefully whatever Steem I earn. Like I said, I'm not purchasing any more cryptos. I'm going to earn cryptos. That's it. Because I'm going for lower risk stuff. And you guys should too. Because like that's just the way it works. You're able to sleep better at night. Steem it to the moon. I hope. But even if Steemit crashes, whatever. You know, you live and you learn. And I made my money. So it's like, I'm fine with that. Digital commodity portrayed as a currency. Well, here's the thing. Also, cryptocurrencies in general is sketchy. The average person out there is extremely terrified of cryptocurrencies. It's really weird because whenever girls ask me what I do and I just say like Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies, they're like, what? I just see like this, like either they're really dumb, which probably some are because I'm just like, all right. But the other ones, it's like they're scared or something. No, not every Bitcoin is used for bad things. It's not that sketchy. Really, fiat currency is just as sketchy. The government is just as sketchy. Banks, the whole banking system, everything. But it's just the way it is right now. As an individual person, we're probably not going to be able to change the system. So, you know, you got to play the game for what it is. Got to play the game for what it is. Once you get your new apartment, are you going to mine big? No, I'm never mining. Okay, maybe I should never say never, because probably it's like, oh yeah, in a year I start my own mining company or whatever. I'm going to start mining Kubera. That's what I'm going to start mining. But no, the thing is, like, I just want to be transparent with you guys that I truly don't believe in cryptocurrencies, but I don't believe in a lot of things. I'm skeptical. I'm skeptical about even the stuff I invest in. And you should especially be skeptical about the stuff you invest in. You should question everything. I question what Net is doing from Steam. I question what some of these bigger fish. I'm not a huge fish at all. I'm not a whale on Steam. That's the thing. I invested a lot of my money, probably more money than I should have. I admit I made a mistake, like whatever, but it's a risk. It's risky. So even though that's why I'm doing lower risk stuff right now, because I already took high risks, and it's just like I don't like that feeling. So for the future, I will do much lower risk. Mike, when do you think Bitcoin will correct? I honestly don't even know, but it could hit. I'm thinking about it because someone told me that it's going to hit $6,000 within the next like 2-3 months, right? And I didn't want to laugh at them, but something inside of me was like, I don't know about that. I don't know about that one. But now it's like, but still, it has to correct. It has to correct. I do think that people will lose a bunch of money. I do think people will lose a bunch of money, and it's not due to Bitcoin's doing really well, and Bitcoin will crash a little bit because it'll stabilize, and then it'll go back up again, and then it'll stabilize again, back up, stabilize, back up. But people will be like, it's crashing, I lost all my money, because they're going on stuff, they're investing money they can't afford to lose, they can't hold it, and it's, you know, people are just not being smart about it. Your mind can't cope with it. That's why you're out of, I don't blame you, it's hard to take the red pill. Dude, the red pill is a bitter pill to swallow with everything, with girls, with society. It's a little, so you gotta have to take like a third person perspective sometimes and just step away from it all and be like a little Buddha or whatever. We got Buddha over there. But no, there's people who probably are fully invested in Bitcoin and they can't afford to do that. I would be stressed. I don't like stress. I've sold 80% of my Bitcoin today, put some money in other altcoins. Cool. That's awesome. You probably made a bunch of money because it was at 38.50 today. It was crazy. You are really I can't say it because I need to be kid friendly. S1MQ. You are really ba-da-da. I hope you know that. I realize. People who say I'm gosh, I can't say the words. I can't repeat what you guys are saying. But people who say really mean stuff, or they say that like I'm trying to think of like synonyms, kid-friendly synonyms for what you guys are saying. But that I'm ignorant or that I'm full of myself, I have a high ego. I've never hid that. I've never hid that. Like, you can go back to Avi's first videos, and in some of them, I'm straightforward about it. And no, if you take advice solely from me, you are silly. You're just plain silly. If you're taking advice solely from me or from anyone for that matter, I don't care if it's the president or if it's the next billionaire, whoever it is, if you're taking your information solely from one source and not even bothering to research it, and you lose money due to some investment choices that you made because of that, like, well, it's your fault. It's 100% your fault. How can I private message you for business? If it's business related, the best thing to do is to email me because I see that better. And or you could just go to YouTube's Messenger. However, YouTube's Messenger, YouTube as well. I believe in YouTube, but it's the same thing with Steam. It really. I don't understand how a multi-billion-dollar corporation still cannot get a PM thing to work. Like, some messages disappear. How? What? But whatever. Nothing's perfect in this world. Uh, I like the fact that it makes it easy to speak. Hi, can you tell me about HTML coin? Is it good for investment or short-term investment? If you are asking about an altcoin, especially if it's a smaller altcoin, you should research it for at least the next 2 weeks. 2 weeks, forums, videos, live streams, people who are fully into it. Look at the bad sides, look at the pro sides, look at the charts. And if you still feel that after the next 2 weeks that this is an investment for a year, for 6 months, for whatever it is, then you should wait for a good price to buy at. You shouldn't be like, okay, boom, we're buying right now. That's exactly what we're doing. I made up my mind, super emotional. I want it. I want it now. No, like you should still hold on and be patient about it. There's a lot of crypto opportunities in Thailand. There's a lot of crypto opportunities everywhere. There's a lot of opportunities everywhere. People are saying I'm stupid for moving to Poland. Okay, like whatever. You can say that, but I'm saving money. I'm able to live a much more luxurious life here. I know that this isn't luxurious, and that's because that's the way it is. I probably should care about my apartment more, but I don't because this is only temporary. Probably by the time I'm 21, I'll have my own house, which, like, I don't care if I live in a bad apartment for the next 2 years. If by age 21 I have my own house, my own car, no debt to my name, I'm at a top university. I got accepted into 2 top universities here in Poland, and I'm paying $0 for it. Like, I don't care. You're able to say whatever you want. Like, you know, just wait a couple years, and in a couple years I'll be able to be like, whatever, dude. I'm not going to talk about certain things because it's better to just show you guys. Actions speak louder than words. Wow. The one thing about Poland, though, is the weather the weather is really messy. The weather is really messy. Crypto cup. Woo! Crypto. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. You're able to make a bunch of money, and I think crypto is great. However, there's a lot of people who believe in it a little too much. A little too much. You got to be more skeptical. Traditional stock market freaks are scratching their heads. Oh, yeah, dude. There's people who will never buy into Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, and they will always be stubborn, and that's fine. That's fine. You know, people, there'll be people who are stubborn about everything. Chaincoin. Oh, dude. I haven't even looked at Mr. Hayoung Coins. Actually, you know what? Last thing. I don't want to make this live stream too long. So we're going to wrap this up. I'm not purchasing any more cryptocurrencies because I'm going to be earning from affiliates, from donations, from current investments. I've already taken high risks in the past, and I want to lower my risk. That's why I will be making my money from YouTube and from whatever risks I already put in right now. And my advice to you guys is, A, don't get too excited about the markets right now because they could crash tomorrow. Crash, as in stabilize. They're going to go back to where they should be because it's going up too quickly. In my mind, it's going up too quickly because when you see a post like, I am so excited to buy a new Rolex, that really makes you think like, that person's going to lose some money pretty soon. I don't know about that one. Or my favorite posts on Bitcoin Talk. You see actually multiple of these posts. People are like, I regret not investing into Bitcoin when it was like $50. I'd be a millionaire right now. So I'm going to invest right now. It's like, oh my gosh. No. Actually, you know what? Invest. Like, whatever. That's cool. My friend was talking to me about mining Bitcoin. I told him that it was a terrible idea since it's so huge already and that he should mine a smaller cryptocurrency. Still thinks mining it is smart. You know, if he thinks mining it is smart, that's fine. That's his opinion. My opinion is, personally, I'm not going to get into mining, most likely. I'm going to stick with what I'm good at. Simple advice. Whatever interests you. If you find a way to make money from it, cool, go for it. Maybe he'll come up with something that, you know, will revolutionize Bitcoin mining, or he'll reinvent the wheel, Or I don't know. Or maybe, you know, some people actually deserve this. Some people deserve to lose money from an investment or waste their time, because at that point they learn from it. They learn from their mistakes, which leads them to being successful later on in life. And that's cool. I made plenty of mistakes in my life. There was a comment the other day that asked me why that I'm not going to be taking investment advice from someone who knew about cryptocurrencies in 2013 and doesn't have like $100,000 at the moment. And that actually hurt me a little bit, because I definitely 100% could have had $100,000 in my bank account right now. But I spent tens of thousands of dollars. I burned it. I live the party lifestyle. So that's why I don't really have any friends anymore. And my only friends are girls that I just chat with for like 30 minutes on the street before I go back to life, questioning everything. No, that's one of the few escapes I have. Apart from me going outside and chatting with strangers for a little bit. Like, it's not even, I don't even want relationships. I just chat with people because it's an outlet. Everybody has outlets. Anyways, yeah, last thing. Oh yeah, that's right. Last thing. Let's check out Mr. Hayoung Coins. I'm kind of curious. As a marketer, I'm just looking at clubhodl.com. He made a new website. Oh, I wonder what this is. Let's see. Oh, it's got a nice fancy loading screen. Hold up. Wait, what? Rocket chat? What? You have to log in. New user registration is currently disabled. Aw, I wanted to register. Gosh. But that's interesting. Guys. He made a new website. Interesting. Yo. Oh boy. Let's see. Wait. He's at 12,000 subscribers. He's at 12,000. Did he lose some subscribers? That's strange. I thought he had more subscribers. Wait. Let's check out Chanalytics. He did lose some subscribers. He's losing. Dude, he hasn't gained a single subscriber since. Wow. That is interesting. Hold up. Let's double check this on Social Blade. That is interesting. I wonder why people are unsubscribing from him. Let's check this out. Hold up. This is the last thing, I promise you guys. So he has lost subscribers every single day for the past week. He has lost subscribers. Oh, no, wait. Never mind. He gained 4 subscribers today. But today just started. So knowing the pattern, probably today he's going to lose subscribers again. He could have been at 13,000 subscribers, but he's lost 36, 47, 11, 40, 11. That's interesting. So now we're going to check out Mr. Supoman, just out of curiosity. I'm just looking at other cryptocurrency channels. Supoman. Oh, wait, wrong channel. I forgot he has 2. That's cool. Supoman Udemy. Wait. This channel cannot be found. What? What happened to his channel? Hold up. Did I type it in wrong? Okay, Supoman 2011. Dude, for a minute there, I thought his channel disappeared. I was like, wait, what? All right, let's see. Wait a minute. Supoman is back. And he stopped posting again. I wonder. Wow, he's got a lot of dislikes. People really don't like him returning. Let's read some of the comments. Oh, boy. No, I can't read the comments because they're swearing. The show is over. This channel is pretty much dead. Lol. Dude, man up. And that is all for today's show, folks. We're done. Hayoung Coins. This channel's doing superb. Superman. Fantastic. Can't wait to make my own pump and dump ICO Bitcoin mining lending program and then lose all my subscribers. That's exactly what I'm excited for. Woo! Not only that, but we'll partner up with Kim Jong-un or something. So, yeah. YouTube deleted subs from every channel. I think I noticed that. I think I noticed that from my channels as well. I definitely noticed that there was a little bit. But still, that makes you wonder. That makes you wonder. Because there's people who were able to... I still gain... I'm not in the negatives. On Avi, I wasn't in the negatives. So... Got to go trade. You guys enjoy not taking risks. I still am taking risks, but I've already taken enough risks in my lifetime where I still will take higher risks, but not with investing anymore, with just holding. I still am in a position to give advice, I guess, if you guys want to listen to it, but that's it. That's it. So anyways, I'll be talking about... We have to talk about less schemes. We have to talk about less schemes because some of you guys are just curious about actual advice. All right, guys. Anyways, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Mike, and we shall see you tomorrow. Well, no, today, because there's 2 uploads coming up. There's 2 uploads coming up today. Oh, gosh, I need to record another one. All right, I need to record another one. All right, peace.